Now I'm going to go over how to download and install Fortnite on an Android device. This will work the same pretty much across every Android device, and I'll kind of walk you through the steps. So the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome. So it'll find Fortnite for you here, and I'll put a link to this web page down in the description below, but it is just Fortnite's website. You can just Google them and find this. Once you're here, just click this Get It on the Epic Games app right here. Once you do that, this message will pop up. You'll click OK. It's going to download the file. You're going to click Open. You're going to click on Settings. You're going to click Allow from this source. You're going to click Install. Then Open. Here we are in the game store here. And then you can tap on Fortnite, tap Install. There we go. Once it's done downloading, you'll get this message. Tap on Settings. Click Allow from this source. Click Install. Click Open. And here you go. You can see Fortnite is loading up here. It's just updating first. And there we go. Fortnite is up and loaded. It may have to do a big update or something first, but here we go. You're into Fortnite, and if you go into your app drawer here, you will see you have the Epic's game store now, but you will also see that you have Fortnite here as well, that you can go ahead and just open back up. So that's how you go ahead and get Fortnite installed on your Android device. Hopefully this video helps, and if it does, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one on how to make your technology work better for you. Thanks.